Okay.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Okay, we got the older trains, and then on this side, we got the 2017 Round 1 trains. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, but the 2017 trains are lighter and float, and the older ones sink. I'll get two exact Percy's, the new one and the old one. The old one sinks, and the new one floats. And it's like that with all of them. I'll give you three more here. Older one, they sink. And a new Spencer. And Tootsie Pop Luke. Float. See? They float. So, ouch. Okay. Now, on the 2017 trains, because they're so light, we'll show you what they do on this racing track we got here.
Okay. Let's do this.
Here we go.
Oh. There's a snack again. Oh.
And then they get stuck
And then they get stuck.
because they're too light. Cheetah Hero and Orca.
And something.
Orca Gator and what is the other one? Samson. Swamp Samson. Go ahead and put them in there. See, they're so light. They can't go to the line themselves. You have to help them along. Whereas the newer train, the older trains are heavier, and you don't have to do that.
Oh. You need a little push. Oh, on the back.
Okay, go ahead and take these ones off, buddy. One at a time. Just take them off. And then we'll put the older ones on, okay? Here you go.
Oh.
Pass me those three, and I'll give you these three. That's okay. There we go. Put them on there. These are the older ones. They're heavier. Well, they're supposed to go down. What happened to that? Oh, they get stuck too, I guess. There we go. Now we're flying.
He's trouble.
He goes down that loop-de-loop really quick. He needs help, I think. No? No, he's doing good. These ones all go to the line pretty good.
Let's try the yellow one.
Okay, try the other one. There we go.
Whoa, they went down fast. That's why
They're going down good.
They're going down good. They're going down for me now.
There we go. Videotape them from up here, climbing up the hill.
Climbing up the hill. Oh, he's almost up track.
Oh.
Oh, he's almost off the track.
There we go. They're coming.
No. He's a couple. He's a couple. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Here we go. Okay, go ahead and stop it for a bit. This guy's stuck here because they coupled up.
Oh.
Take them off and press stop, Junior.
Okay. Stop.
Okay, we got, we have a little story for you. Come on this side, Junior.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead and tell them the story because we're going to show what's going on here. Just wait. There we go. Move your hand. There we go. I'm going to show who's in there. Who's hiding?
Henry.
And why is he hiding?
Because He's afraid of the rain.
The rain, yeah. Go ahead and tell the story.
Okay. It's just the same as you put in your boiler. So why would you be afraid of it? I'm just saying. Really?
You gotta put Henry in the tunnel. Because James has to push him out, remember?
Oh.
Put him back in the tunnel.
Because I'm really not afraid when it's sunny. But then he comes out.
No, James was trying to push him out and he was pushing James back. Remember? What does Thomas tell him about the water, about the rain?
Oh.
Why he shouldn't be scared? What does he say about the rain?
It's just the same as you put in your boiler. So why would you be afraid of it? I'm just saying. But I'm not really afraid when it's sunny. Huh? Then Thomas drives away.
Good job.
The end.
Here's some trains we got over here. We got Junior Mint.
Thomas is hiding there.
Which one is this?
Thomas is hiding
Emily,
there.
Junior Mint, Emily, and
Guess what?
Yeah.
Thomas hiding there.
yeah.
Thomas is hiding there.
We got Electrifying Spencer, and oh, we got, what was this one again? Oh, we got the Flash, as James as the Flash, and we got some troublesome trucks there.
Yep.
Looks cool. I'm gonna shine the light on that, probably be able to see it better. There we go.
He's
Oh, that's a lot
carrying
better. There we
coal.
go.
They're carrying coal.
Electrifying. That looks so cool. You can see right through the train.
You know what the traveling truck's bringing in? Coal.
Yeah.
Cool.
There we go. Okay, I got something else to tell you guys. We got these two trains here. Bumblebee James, and we have Diesel. Now, if you notice something, check this out. All these trains have a coupling in the back that is long. James and Diesel have short little stubby bumps that you can't connect properly. See, they're really, really short. I was wondering if anyone else's little trains did that, because all the rest of them have really nice connectors on them. But these ones here, they're just too short, and then when you couple them up, they just come apart. Well, I want everyone to have a good day. See you again next time.
Bye.
Like and subscribe, and come on back.
And come on back.